Today we are going to make tandoori flavored soft and creamy malai chicken. This dish is so juicy and flavorful that every bite bursts with spices and richness of cream. With a light charcoal smoky aroma on the outside and soft chicken on the inside. It's just resto style. Serve it at parties, family dinner or special occasions. Everyone will absolutely love this dish. So let's start this creamy, smoky and super tasty tandoori malai chicken recipe. First we will prepare a paste for marination and gravy. In a blender jar, add 12 cashews, 8 to 9 medium spicy green chilies, and a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Add half a glass of water and blend everything into a smooth paste like this. Here I have taken half a kg chicken which I have washed thoroughly 2 to 3 times. Now add half of the prepared paste to the chicken for marination and keep the remaining half aside for the gravy. Next we will add to the chicken 1 tablespoon garam masala, half tablespoon chaat masala, half tablespoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon finely ground cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon red chili flakes, half tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon white pepper powder, and salt to taste. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of melted butter to the chicken. Add half a cup of yogurt and mix everything well. While mixing, also add half a cup of cream. Mix everything again until the chicken is well coated with the marinade. Once the spices are nicely combined with the chicken, cover it and let it marination for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, we will roast the chicken. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Once the oil is slightly hot, place all the chicken pieces in it one by one. Keep the leftover marinade aside as we will use it later to make the gravy. Cover the pan and let the chicken cook on low flame for about 10 minutes on one side. After 10 minutes, flip all the chicken pieces and cover again. Cook for another 10 minutes so the chicken cooks perfectly in its oven juice and becomes soft and tender. After a total of 20 to 25 minutes, on a low flame the chicken is nicely roasted and ready. To give this chicken a tandoori flavor, grill the chicken pieces directly on the flame. Keep the stove on medium-high flame, roast one side until it gets light charred spot, then flip and grill the other side as well. Prepare all the remaining chicken pieces in the same way and keep them aside. Now let's prepare the gravy. In a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the leftover marinade. Also add the cashew, green chili and coriander paste that we had prepared earlier. Keeping the flame on medium-high, saute the mixture continuously for 5 to 7 minutes until it's nicely roasted. Saute the mixture until the masala becomes dry and the oil starts to separate on top. Once the masala is well roasted, add half a cup of yogurt and half a cup of fresh cream. Also add 4 to 5 tablespoons of water to adjust the consistency. Now add 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder. Keep the flame on high and mix everything well. Cook only until it comes to a boil. Don't overcook as the yogurt may turn sour if cooked for too long. After mixing everything and letting it boil once, you will have a smooth textured creamy gravy ready. Now add the roasted chicken into this gravy and sprinkle finely chopped coriander leaves. Here you have a delicious smooth textured creamy gravy with a tandoori flavor. Your malai chicken is ready. For serving, pour it into a bowl and drizzle with 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream, 2 tablespoons of melted butter and garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Serve hot with butter naan, rumali roti or jeera rice. Its creamy gravy and smoky tandoori flavor will surely win everyone's heart. Try this malai chicken recipe at home and let us know in the comments how you liked it. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.